Hello everyone. My name is Alec Estrada. I apologize for the first video. It was recorded incorrect. I was having trouble with my screen capture. So this is the MySQL Workbench working properly on the PC. Let me go ahead and open it up. Let me get friend. Okay. So let me start it up. So these are the samples that I got from the Mirage website. And let me just run something just to show that it works. Let's go ahead and put a select from, let's do the AP dot, let's get the vendors table. And there's this lightning bolted, and that's the table. Hopefully it's sufficient enough, and thanks for watching.